Hey there! Today we're going to learn to make this really simple and easy interior decor. Let's get started. To make this, you will need a round mirror like this, some skewer sticks, some gold spray paint, and a glue gun. First, I'm taking this round mirror, turning it over, and placing some of these skewer sticks along the circumference. Next, I'm using some hot glue gun and sticking these skewers like this. I'm trying to get the shape and design of a sun. As you can see, I've placed the skewers at equidistance from each other in bunches of 10 to 12. You can always use a thermocol, stick it to the mirror, and then stick these skewers inside them. This also saves glue and makes it look more neater. And that's it, we're almost done making this beautiful mirror. Now that I've stuck the skewers, I'm going to add in some gold paint. Leave this to dry for about an hour. If you feel that some spray paint has been applied onto your mirror, you can always use some acetone to take off the excess dirt. Enjoy and happy creating!